Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, now let's move to the details of this video. Friends, as far as we are concerned with this video, then the answer to this question is very simple, that in this video I am here with you along with a very stylish, very beautiful, unique and very easy collection of hand embroidery patterns. That is, you can use these patterns in a variety of ways. Actually, these are 5-in-1 patterns. I will list it one by one that how you can use these patterns. You can use these patterns for hand embroidery, one. Number two, you can use them for machine embroidery as well, that is number two. And number three, you can use it for making hand paint designs, fabric paint, hand painted stuff, number three. You can use it as well for silk ribbon embroidery, and it's number four. And for number five, you can use it for applique, and that is number of variety of ways you can applique it. You can make it fabric applique, wool applique, or any other sort of applique with the type of fabric material you want to use. So these were 5 creative DIY ways in which you can use these very beautiful patterns. The purpose of sharing these patterns with you is to give you some creative, some mesmerizing and some designer style inside, because in my previous videos we have been sharing a lot of hand embroidery designs, fabric paints, hand painted stuff with color combinations, with patterns as well, and we have discussed and explained many step-by-step tutorials along with stitches and explanations. The main purpose of my today's video is to share some very creative ideas so that you can use your own brain, your own mind and your own designing ideas to design these creative patterns, because one by one if we start discussing them, then we can have a greater and deep insight of broader view of these patterns. Let's just say for these floral bouquets and baskets, we can design them by making hand embroidery. For hand embroidery, use some bright colors for flowers like pink, orange, red and different shades of plum, shocking and purple. And for leaves, use different shades of green, from mint green, royal green, parrot green to different shades of green. And for stems, use different shades of brown color. And the type of baskets, floral bouquets, use some enhancing and decent color like black, gray, brown, beige, coffee. So these would enhance the beauty, and these type of color combination would lead you or would move you towards very realistic designs and very creative. And if you use these with some neat stitches and some very concentrated focus, then you will be amazed to see that these designs represent a very beautiful and totally 3D dimension of the whole designs, because 3D embroidery, 3D fabric painting, 3D silk ribbon embroidery is a latest and new upcoming trend. The main trick and the main idea of designing these 3D hand art stuff is to give the viewer, to give the customer, to give the user a very enhanced and a beautiful realistic look of the hand embroidery or handwork pattern. So friends, I hope all of my suggestions, my ideas and my opinions have helped you a lot. If any one of you tries to make these patterns, or any one of you thinks to use these patterns, then kindly do comment this video below and share your experiences with us, so that we will also know that how you are going to design this, and share your ideas with along with other creators as well, because number of hand embroidery lovers, hand embroidery beginners and hand art and needle art professionals are my viewers and subscribers, and they tend to see my videos for getting some creative and very beautiful ideas. So stay blessed. Thank you so much for watching my video. Be cool, spread positivity, be a cause of positive motivation for your friends and family, and help them to achieve their goals. We will soon be back with you along with some new trendy and classy ideas. Up till then, take care, goodbye, and remember us in your prayers. Keep supporting us, keep watching us, keep loving my content, and keep sharing my videos with your friends and family. Help us reach a remarkable number of YouTube family and subscribers.